Hello everyone, AI Art Shop is an amazing place for you to sell as well as purchase AI art at a cheaper price than most other options available. Today I will tell you how to get extra discount on this website which will save you a lot of your purchasing cost. To do this, click the first link in the description and you will be redirected to the AI Art Shop website. Here there are options like art gallery, NFT, artists, etc. Click on AI Art Gallery to purchase an art. As you can see, there are many arts that you can purchase. Also, there are options to filter and sort according to your needs. Now let me have a quick look at what I would like to purchase. So after scrolling around for a while, I really liked this one. Let's click on view. This art is really beautiful. Here you can choose your region, choose the painting format. There are some customizations available, and depending on what you prefer, the price may vary. Click on add to cart. Now click here on the cart option. Now as you can see, we have two arts added to the cart. Down here there is an option to add discount code. Enter the discount code WB Explainer. And boom, you have received a 5% discount on the purchase. Click here on checkout. On this page, you can enter the further details and complete the payment. If you liked this video, drop a like and subscribe for more such useful videos. Thanks for watching.